Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep. As you know, I share here about Shopify all I know. So as you know, last time we have created Ajax cart, Ajax add to cart, where we can add product without refreshing page in a cart. So today we are going to work on our filters. Before any delay, let's start working on it. So what I'm going to do before that, let me open my project. I think it's already here. Yes. So in collection page we have collection. Let's in section, what I'm going to do is let's create here an option for enable and disable our filters. Let's start our download our theme. Next is theme, watch, allow, live, and enter. Okay, so that's done. This is for banner and this is for our products. Let's add this one here. Schema checkbox and enable filters. By default this will be true and save it. And over here before pagination I'm going to add if statement. This will be section dot settings dot, what was this one, enable filters, and save. So this is done. So next thing we are going to do is we have to go to our admin panel, navigation, and over here we got this new feature. This come with 2.0, and before do anything we have to add here what kind of filter we want: availability, price, product type, vendor, and we also can use product options like color, size, quantity, everything else we can use. So we have to enable this one. We also can use meta fields. we I will show you later. Just before that, let's make done. By the way, meta fields work with only single text type. Let's create one. Here is meta fields. Right now we have JSON multiple line. So what we have to do, I'm going to add test. So this will be text. It's not text test, it's text. We can also change the namespace just like I show before, and here I'm going to do as test. So we can also add limit and regular expression if you know how to use it, to limitize what user can add here, but for the timing I'm not going to do this. And let's save this one, refresh. Now I'm going to add filter again, and now we got the text meta fields here. So for the timing, let's add this one too and save. And let's move to our code here, where we have to add form. And there is no action, only class and filter form. That's done. And next thing is a for loop. Let's call this one filter. And collection dot filter, and here will be our, I'm going to show here the title of the our filter. Let's put here div, and in div let's call filter dot label. Let's save this file, and let's open theme also. By the way, if we want to open this one in different browser, for that we have to do theme open and b flag. B flag, it stands for browser, and the name of the browser, like if somebody want to open in Firefox, you can use firefox or Mozilla and or Safari. You can get, I think you get an idea. So we can use that one too, but I am going to open this one in same. so I'm going to hit theme open only, so this will open in a default browser. Here we go. And let's go to our catalogs. I think this is not updated yet. Nope, I'm not going to do this. It's not filter, it's filters. Sorry, my bad. And now we got our filters labels. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap this one in a div which will wrap all the filters. So let's call this one filter wrapper. And by the way, this filter form is coming from Shopify, so we don't have to change this one. It should be as it is. And next I'm going to do move this. Next I'm going to add a link here, so let's wrap this one in a spam so we can style this one. And next thing I'm going to add here a if statement, if condition, and in if condition let's call filter dot active underscore values dot size is greater than 0. Then I'm going to add here an hyperlink. Then href is equal to filter dot url underscore to underscore remove and next is class. Same, this is the right one. Sorry, this is prefixed filter group display double underscore reset display header reset let's add here x. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a class here. Let's call this one filter title, and here what I'm going to do is let's add here. Before that, let's type what we got and type here by filter dot title, not title, it's type, and save. Let's see what we got now. For available type we got list, price for we got price range, and rest things are list. So let's type to type. For that I'm going to use case, and in case let's say sorry, filter type dot type is equal to price range, and if I'm not wrong, yes, price range. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add here what we are going to do. Let me think. Let's add dot filter group display underscore price range, and in this I'm going to call span, okay, and next thing I will be input type will be number, and in spam let's say let's not use number, or let's see, number is better because we need from and to. So what we are going to do, this will be filter dot min dot not min, it's min value dot param underscore name and same goes for id. Okay, next thing will be a value will be only if the filter dot min underscore value dot value. Then value is equal to filter dot min underscore value dot value and next thing will be money filter without currency because it's a number type, and also replace tag because there will be commas. Where is replace? First thing is comma, replace with nothing. Let's see this far what we got. I think it's not updated yet, or something is missed. Oops, it will be in quotes and it's updated. Now let's check. Okay, so we got number, and what I'm going to do check is let's check filters minimum value. Filter dot minimum range underscore minimum. Let's check we got something or not. nothing. Let's check max 2. And now see, we got minimum value nothing and maximum will be $100 or rupees. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this one, max, for our input. Let's add this one here. Max is equal to with money without currency and min will be 0. That's it. So let's check this one. We have 100. Looks like it's working fine. Note bit is will be without currency. Money without currency, and same goes to here too. Okay, so we got 100, and if I got, we can't increase from 100, and if I'm going to 1 0 and after 0 we can't do anything. So same goes to one thing is left. It will be from and this will be our cart dot currency 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 dot symbol and let's copy and paste this one. This will be 2 and value will be value, but instead of min this will be max. Replace this not this. And Where is it? Max. Here I'm going to copy this, and I think that's good. So let's check this one. So we got two things. First is for minimum value and maximum. Let's add placeholder here too. For that I'm going to add placeholder 0, and here I'm going to add the maximum value of our range. So this will be from 0 to 100. Next I'm going to do is let's add here a input equal to submit, and value add to apply. So let's check this one. So if I'm going to add from 20 to 50, right now we have 42. Let's add from 40 to 50 and apply. And as you can see, not the 40, it's 50. I think something is missing. We have where is our value? It's saying minimum, it should be max. So if I'm going to refresh this one, now we got right price range. And next thing we are going to do, we are going to list our list here. For list I'm going to add here UL with filter group ROU display list, and in this list let's add li dot filter group display list item, and in this we need two things. one is input. This will be checkbox. So checkbox, and name will be filter dot not filter dot, it's value dot param name dot not dot, it's underscore name, and id will be, let's call this one filter, and filter dot not dot value dot param underscore name, and also for loop dot index. So next thing will be if the filter underscore value dot active and then checked. Next also will be if filter value dot count is equal to 0, and filter underscore value dot active is equal to false. Disabled. And next is label. Label will be same ID. I'm going to copy all this and paste here, and here will be filter underscore value dot label, and save. Let's see what we got. Oops, we forget about for loop. Let's add for loop too. It will be filter value and this will be filter dot values, and over here everything will be this, and save. Let's see now. Okay, you got everything here. Just one thing is remain, which is this one. So next thing is we have to add this input. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this and paste here. So let's see what we got now and refresh. As I can see, we have hidden these inputs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit style. And let's try this one now. So if I'm going to select bracelet and earrings, so it will pop nothing because we don't have any product in those two. Name. Okay, we forgot about one thing, which is value. Value will be filter dot value dot value, and let's check this one. Try again. Okay, so let's try again to filter. Now we got bracelets, earrings. Okay, we got quantity 0. The one thing is remain disabled. Let's do that one too. Disabled. OP. Will be 0.7505, and let's check this one. Oops. Input plus level okay. So what we got now? It's not updated yet. Why not it's updated yet? Let's check now. Okay, so all disabled will be less appear, and if we are going to filter this one, so we will got only bracelets. Let's do one more thing. First of all, we are going to apply some style here. Let's call this one display flex wrap will be wrap justify space between, and let's do something new. Let's try here grid template will be one FR and one FR. Let's go all here for one more. So if we want increase the width of any specific, like every third will be 2 frame, and this will like that one, so each frame will be divided accordingly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to call 4 frame per grid. So next thing is will be gap will be 30 pixel. As you can see, everything is looks fine. So we left all trick where we have to add flex and flex wrap, then we have to apply margin in minus to cover the gap which will we have added while padding. So in grid system we don't have this thing to do anymore, so that's a good thing. And I think that's pretty much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this one and apply here. Not updated yet. By the way, we got, where is a selection? Here we got this X. If I'm going to click on this one, this will cover clear all the selections, so that's a good thing. I think, let's see why it's not updated yet. Check this one. Okay, it's work now. So you can do more thing with this one, but so far I think you all got an idea how we can apply filters, and I think that's pretty much here. Okay, so in next video we are going to add to cart button here, where we will use our landing page landing page, this JS over here. So we are going to reuse the JS and the pop-up we got here. Once we add this one, this pop-up, we will reuse this one. So okay, till then, keep coding, be awesome. See you next time.